gulabari, premium rose water, all skin types. $400 ml. ₹129. That quantity 400 ml. Everyuth natural golden glow peel off mask. With 24 carat gold. Excuse me. 15 minutes radiance. Net quantity 100 grams. So here are the instructions. So 2 of them they gave. Same with 24 karat gold. I'll open it and show you the cream. So you can see the 24 karat gold. You can see the gold now. So for both of them the same. You can see that chunky thingy, na? That's all gold, real gold, with 24 karat gold. I'm just doing it in so that it could be neat. Next we have multani mitti, orange face pack. Everything is orange, you can see, right? Except this rose water, except this golden glow peel off mask. This has to be orange. So you can see the two orange slices. Everything is orange except this gulabari. Now I'll open this. But hurry there. So they gave this multani mitti. $100 grams. Free aloe vera face wash, 100 ml sample pack inside. Clear tan free skin.
అది చాకు పిలిచే వచ్చినాయా?
So this is the free aloe vera face wash. Sealed I can't show you. Okay, I'll open it, nothing happens. Shit. So it's in green color. Sorry guys, I have lot much cough.
నేను వీడియో తీయలేదని అది తీసుకుంటాను.
5 packs. Sorry. How to directions to use? They gave it. So in this that orange face pack, that orange is also added. Now in the next video I'll show how I will do it on myself, and I will show how it is. Okay, bye bye.